This is our LG Top Freezer refrigerator, model LTC22350. And we'd had some issues. It was making a interesting noise that sounded like the fan up in the freezer compartment had been hitting a chunk of ice. So I tried to clear that, and then that noise went away, but then the refrigerator couldn't maintain temperature. We were only getting about 60 degrees in the refrigerator. And that had happened once before. This refrigerator is about 8 years old, and it happened after a couple years that the door just got left open a little bit and the freezer coil had frozen up, and then that blocks the air from circulating from the freezer down to the refrigerator. And I think that's what happened this time. I couldn't find how to take the back of the freezer compartment off. I kind of remembered that when the serviceman had come before, he had just pulled it out, and I didn't take any video before I took it out, but we'll show how it goes back in, and it really does just press back in. There's only one screw that holds the back panel on. Okay, well, I'm ready to put this back together. I had to melt out a really large chunk of ice that I think was blocking the whole area around the fan, but that's gone now. And I'll just show you how I'm going to put this back in. And to take it out, you just do it the opposite way. So the first thing I have to do is there's a little electrical connector. I'm going to reconnect the fan. It's up in the upper left-hand corner of the freezer compartment. So we're just going to reach in and do that. Until it snaps in. And then there's a small panel that we're going to have to fit through this hole here in the upper left-hand corner. And then you're just going to kind of force it back in there. Put the bottom in first, I think. And we're just going to press until it fits back in. And then, of course, when we you can hear those clips kind of clip back in. To get it out, we just kind of pried it out, you know, just grabbed it here in the middle. So there, that's back in, and we'll put in this little, that's the connector for your ice maker. It connects right up here. We'll just put this back in. I got one screw I gotta get. There's that. Put in the one screw, little Phillips head. I think that's in. And then actually I'm going to try to start it. I'm going to plug it in and try to start it up. Okay, we plugged her back in. I can hear the compressor starting. If you can see down here, you can see the three lights came back on like they should from left to right. So I think that means things are good. So we'll get her closed back up, and hopefully we'll be good to go. So thank you all for watching.